All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to try to replace the LCD screen here. We're gonna give it a good shot. Here is the new one, or used one, because it does not look new at all. It's got some scrapes on it. And it looks like it's just the screen cover, so let's leave that over there until we're ready for it. Let's get this thing cracked open. Now, the good thing about cracking this open is this is aftermarket, so I don't know if you guys could see really closely here, but there's already kind of like a space in between here when you decide you want to change this out for aftermarket. So we're going to try to get in there. And also, since it's the clear version, you're able to see clearly where the clips are inside of here. So let's get it open. Put on gloves so you don't split your skin open like I did, because it hurts. And we will also use, where is it? I'll have this so that we can see where the clips are. Finish up.
Almost done.
Okay.
More. Oh. Ow, ow, ow. This hurts. Right here. No, why am I fucking close? I'm gonna.
So what do we got? I think we have two more. I think one is right here. Yep. And then the bottom has two. Take a look. One on the left, one on the right. So one's here. Oop, there's one. Maybe. There we go. Alright. This one is right here. Oop. Just like that, it's already open. Perfect. So you guys can see my work on the inside here. We will disconnect the battery. The splitter tool. there's that. Pretty much it's open.
Just have to use something for my stand. So that's good, that's good. Maybe he goes right there. Is there room? Yeah.
Move this over to the side. And try to get the cable out. Hopefully this is the right one. Now I learned a little trick here. Instead of pulling this whole thing out here, we're going to release. This is down here. There we go. There we go. So slightly pull this frame away from. There we go. Just enough. There we go. To get the screen out. And the reason why we're going to do that is so the wheel doesn't fall out. So if we take this right out, that's it. Keep that like that for a second. Remove the plastic.
Something's wrong.
And hopefully this is the same one. It does look freaking different. right in, so I'm hoping this will work. Okay. Let's latch it. It is now latched. We will go around and put the screws in.
Almost done with this.
Are you asking me?
Yeah,
Or are you telling me?
I'm telling you.
Okay. Let's get it done.
It's hurting my hands.
I know, that's the whole point.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom and put the alcohol on it.
Alcohol on what?
My hand.
Okay.
Itchy.
Get the work done. Cool. I think I got the last one. Alright. So this latch here is the one that closed on me. Alright, we can start the assembly process. Almost feels like this side went in more than this side, but I don't think that's the case. I think it's in there. We're gonna... There we go. That's the one, that's the one, that's the one. And the last one would be the battery. The battery I'm going to do off camera because it is a pain in the butt because of how I placed the battery in here. But it's time to try it out. Looks like it's powering on. And there we go. Screen is fixed. So now all we got to do is clip it. There we go. Screen is fixed. So I want to do a huge shout out to, the writing's probably not going to be on here, but to the person that sent me the LCD screen. Again, not really sure what happened here, but apparently there were dead pixels in here. And yeah, this thing still works, but we'll keep it for reference purposes. There we go. All right, there she is. 512 gigabyte. Looks like we have a capacity of 477 gigabyte and available 476. So there's the model number, couple videos. So far we've upgraded this thing to a SD card. We've done the battery. We've replaced the screen. Again, not really sure what happened there. And there is dust in between there. I don't know if you guys can pick that up on camera, but that kind of sucks. But nonetheless, this thing seems to be performing quite well. Let's see what we got. All right, we'll catch you guys in the next one, man. We're waiting on parts. We're gonna do another one of these. I've already got it cracked open. Here she is right here. The screen works in here. I probably should have just went on and bought another screen, but I didn't. I think we're gonna change that one. Instead of turning that one into a 512 gigabyte, we might do a 256. I don't know. We'll see here. We'll get it all cleaned up before we do anything with it.